I bet you didn't know small audiences can earn big. In fact, I'd be willing to bet you've been told the exact opposite. You've been led to believe that the only path to a sustainable income online is to amass a colossal following. Hundreds of thousands, if not millions of followers. You've been grinding, posting daily, chasing trends, and analyzing algorithms, all in the hopes of one day reaching that magic number where success supposedly unlocks. But let's be honest, it's exhausting. It feels like you're shouting into a void, creating endless content for a fleeting moment of attention, a few likes, a handful of comments. The burnout is real. You see the highlight reels of top-tier influencers and feel a growing sense of frustration, wondering if you'll ever get there. What if I told you that entire premise is flawed? What if the size of your audience has very little to do with the size of your bank account? It's not about followers. It's about leverage. Leverage is the force multiplier that allows a small, focused effort to produce a massive output. In the digital world, leverage means creating systems, assets, and products that work for you around the clock, independent of your direct, hour-to-hour involvement. It's about shifting your focus from being the talent to being the architect. Let me show you how. We're going to move past the vanity metrics and into the world of tangible, sustainable value creation. It's time to stop chasing likes and start building tiny, profitable engines. Think of these as small, specialized machines you design and build once, which then go on to generate income with minimal maintenance. Each engine serves a specific purpose, solves a specific problem, and caters to a specific dedicated audience. Forget trying to appeal to everyone. We're going to build for someone. These engines are your path to reclaiming your time and building real, durable wealth, even while you sleep. So, let's explore the blueprints for some of the most effective and accessible engines you can start building today. First up, let's talk about micro-affiliate sites. Forget the sprawling generic review sites that cover thousands of products. The engine we're building is hyper-focused. Imagine a website dedicated to one single problem, and one single product that solves it. For example, a site about the best portable monitor for remote work, where you do a deep dive review of one specific monitor you genuinely love and use. Here's the blueprint. First, you identify a niche problem you understand. Second, you find a high-quality affiliate product that solves it. Third, you build a simple 1 to 3 page website with a killer, in-depth review, tutorials, and case studies. Then, you drive targeted traffic through search engine optimization or niche social media channels. The beauty of this model is its simplicity and authority. When a visitor lands on your site, you are the undisputed expert on that one thing. This builds immense trust, leading to high conversion rates and steady passive commissions. The pitfall to avoid: choosing a low-quality product or being too broad. Focus is your superpower here. Next, let's build an engine by selling digital products that solve a process-based problem. The easiest entry point: sell templates that save people time. We live in an age of information overload, but what people truly crave is structure. They don't just want to know to do, they want a framework that helps them it. Think about the tools you use every day. Notion, Canva, Google Sheets, Final Cut Pro. Have you developed a unique workflow, a specific dashboard, or a project setup that makes your life easier? That is a sellable template. For example, a YouTube content planner template for Notion, a set of minimalist Instagram story templates for Canva, or a personal budgeting spreadsheet for Google Sheets. You build it once, package it beautifully with a simple guide, and sell it on a platform like Gumroad or your own website. The key is to solve a tedious, repetitive task. If you can save someone hours of setup time for a small, one-time fee, you've created an irresistible offer. The pitfall? Not providing clear instructions. Your template is only as good as a user's ability to understand and implement it. In the same vein, you can sell swipe files that save people creative energy. A swipe file is a collection of proven, high-performing examples, like headlines, email hooks, social media posts, or sales page copy. Professionals in every field, from marketing to design, rely on inspiration. A well-curated swipe file is not about encouraging plagiarism, it's about providing a launchpad for creativity. For instance, you could compile 100 viral tweet formats for tech writers, or a swipe file of high-converting Facebook ad copy for e-commerce. You're not selling the fish, you're selling a detailed map of the best fishing spots. This saves your customer from the dreaded blank page syndrome and gives them a proven starting point. The value is immense. You are selling shortcuts to success based on real-world results. Package these into a simple PDF or a Notion database, and you have another powerful, low-maintenance revenue engine. Now let's talk about licensing. You're already creating content. Why not make that content work harder for you? Start by licensing your photos to stock sites. You don't need to be a world-class professional photographer with a $10,000 camera. In fact, many of the most in-demand stock photos are authentic, everyday moments captured on modern smartphones. Think about the photos sitting on your camera roll right now. A well-lit shot of your home office, a flat lay of your breakfast, a candid photo of friends laughing at a cafe. These are the images that brands, bloggers, and content creators are desperate for. They need authentic visuals that don't look like cheesy stage stock photos of the past. By uploading a small, curated batch of your best photos to platforms like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock, you create dozens of tiny assets. Each photo is a digital soldier, working to earn you royalties month after month, year after year. The key is quality and relevance. Clean, well-composed images that reflect modern life will always be in demand. And this doesn't stop at photos. You can also license short videos to stock sites. The demand for high-quality video B-roll is exploding. YouTubers, advertisers, and course creators all need dynamic footage to make their content engaging, and they are willing to pay for it. That 10-second 4K clip of steam rising from a coffee cup, that slow-motion shot of rain hitting a window, that drone footage from your last vacation, that's not just a memory, it's a potential product. Sites like ArtGrid and Blackmagic Cloud are constantly looking for fresh, cinematic clips. The strategy is the same as with photos. Focus on quality, authenticity, and common themes. Office work, nature, technology, lifestyle. These are evergreen categories. By building a portfolio of short, useful video clips, you're creating another layer of passive income from content you may have already shot for other purposes. It's the ultimate form of recycling your creative work. Let's shift gears to knowledge commerce, but with a twist. Forget trying to launch a massive, all-encompassing flagship course. Instead, launch a mini-course for your 100 true fans. This concept, popularized by Kevin Kelly, posits that you only need 100 people who truly love what you do to build a sustainable living. So, instead of a 20-hour epic, create a 90-minute high-impact workshop that solves one specific, painful problem for your small, dedicated audience. Maybe it's a Kickstart Your Freelance Career workshop, or a Mastering Lightroom in One Afternoon mini course. The price point is lower, making it an easy yes for your audience, and the creation time is a fraction of a major course. This allows you to test ideas, build confidence, and generate revenue quickly. You deliver immense value in a condensed format, and your true fans will thank you for it. The pitfall here is trying to teach too much. Be ruthless in your focus. Solve one problem and solve it completely. Similarly, you can launch a paid newsletter for those same 100 true fans. People are tired of cluttered inboxes and generic content. They are increasingly willing to pay for curated, high-signal information delivered directly to them. A paid newsletter isn't about breaking news. It's about providing unique insights, analysis, or curated links that your audience can't get anywhere else. Your newsletter could be a weekly deep dive into a niche topic you're passionate about, a monthly report on industry trends, or exclusive access to your personal notes and discoveries. Platforms like Substack and Ghost make it incredibly easy to start. For just $5 or $10 a month, your 100 true fans can get your best thinking, unfiltered. This model creates a predictable, recurring revenue stream and a deep, direct relationship with your most dedicated supporters. It's one of the most powerful engines for the modern creator. Finally, for those with a technical inclination, build a low-cost micro SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. A micro SaaS is a small, hyper-focused tool that solves one very specific problem, often for a niche market. It doesn't need to be the next Salesforce. Think smaller, much smaller. For example, a browser extension that helps writers check for passive voice. A simple app that generates color palettes for web designers. A tool that automatically adds watermarks to a photographer's images. These are small utilities that save a specific group of people time or frustration. Built with modern no-code tools or simple scripts, a micro SaaS can be a powerful engine for monthly recurring revenue. The key is to scratch your own itch. Build a tool that you yourself would happily pay for. If you need it, chances are others do too. And if coding isn't your thing, you can still build a recurring revenue asset with print-on-demand designs. This isn't about starting a whole clothing brand. It's about creating clever niche designs that resonate with a specific community. Think inside jokes for programmers, motivational quotes for entrepreneurs, or beautiful diagrams for science lovers. Using services like Printful or Redbubble, you simply upload your design. They handle the printing, inventory, and shipping whenever someone places an order. You collect a royalty on each sale. There is zero upfront cost and zero inventory risk. You can create a design once, upload it, and it can continue to sell for years. This is the epitome of an asset that works for you. Your creative idea becomes a product that generates income while you focus on creating the next one. So, we've covered micro-affiliate sites, templates, swipe files, stock photos and videos, mini courses, paid newsletters, micro SaaS, and print on demand. The list can feel overwhelming, but here is the most important part of the strategy. Pick one. Just one. Don't try to do everything at once. That's a recipe for failure. Choose the one engine that best aligns with your current skills, interests, and the needs of your small audience. Then, optimize. Dedicate yourself to making that one engine as efficient and effective as possible. Talk to your customers. Refine your product. Improve your marketing. Get that first machine running smoothly, generating predictable income, even if it's small at first. Your goal is to create a system that works. And only then, once it's proven, do you scale. Scaling can mean two things. You can either pour more resources into your first engine to grow it, or you can use the profits and knowledge from that success to build your second engine. This is how you build a resilient, diversified creative business, one profitable engine at a time. This entire approach is a fundamental shift away from the creator economy's obsession with fame. No influencer status required. You don't need brand deals. You don't need millions of followers. You just need to solve a real problem for a small group of people and build a smart system to deliver that solution. Feeling inspired, but want a concrete action plan to get started? Want a 30-day plan? I'm creating a follow-up video that breaks down the exact steps to build and launch your first profitable engine in just 30 days. We'll choose a model, set clear milestones, and walk through the process from idea to first sale. If you're ready to stop chasing and start building, follow for the quick blueprint. It's time to build your first engine.